Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review one more accessories which is useful in your day-to-day life. That is JVJ Honda Activa 5G scooter cover. Actually, I bought this Honda Activa 5G cover from Flipkart for cost of 250 rupees. If you want to buy it, I will provide the link in the below description. Please go through it. Let's do unboxing. Cut it like this and open the package. Let us see what are the items inside the box. So this is the Honda Activa 5G cover, which is in blue and black combination. So later you will see in this video how it looks like when we put on the scooter. See, this is the Honda Activa 5G cover. So after wearing it to the scooter, so it will looks like this. So it is a blue and black combination. See, it is a perfect suitable for Honda Activa 5G scooter. And see the back side. This is the back side of this scooter. This is the left side and the right side. So in this video you will see the clearly it will suitable for Honda Activa 5G. Clearly it is shown. It is more suitable for Activa 5G. So black and blue combination. So if you want to buy it, go through it because it is a perfect suitable for your Honda Activa 5G. See, it looks beautiful. I tried lot more covers, but finally this is suitable for my Honda Activa 5G. So now we will see the quality of this one. So actually the quality of this one looks like the good quality. It is a leather textured. It's not a just cover. It looks like leather. Like this I will upload a lot more videos. Please share it if you like my video and subscribe it. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.